The first thing I want to do is to thank you for being here. I appreciate it so much. Not only am I loving bringing you this content, but I'm actually ticking things off my to-do list that have been on there for a very long time. Picking the chamomile flowers is something I do every second day now. These are ready to go into the hot water cupboard, and these ones have been drying on the windowsill, something I've not done before, but it's been very successful. Now this bowl of freshly picked herbs from the garden are ready to make my GKW salad. This is a salad that a girlfriend and I created through a chat session, and it's super simple. All you do is get whatever you've got in your fridge, fresh vegetables, whether you've got frozen vegetables, you've got canned chickpeas, onions chopped up, whatever it is, it all goes into the salad, and we named it a goodness knows what salad. Some of the other herbs I've had drying in the hot water cupboard are parsley, which I am now mincing up in my NutriBullet to go in a jar. They've been drying for a couple of weeks, and so fresh and so much better than what you buy in the supermarket. And then as I get more parsley throughout the season, I just top up my little glass jar once I've got a new lot dried. Rosemary salt is super simple to make, and all of the recipes are on my blog. It's a lovely day, and it's time to get some more jobs done outside. So I nabbed this pallet from Craig's firewood pile. He collects them, cuts them up, and we use them for firewood, and it saves us a heap of money, and it's housing my gardening tools. So, me being me, liking matchy, I'm going to paint it black to match my pots. Now, I'm going to sit down here between the daisies and paint it because it's spring and it's a nice day. We'll see how we go with getting up when I've finished. Okay, so I had painted all of what I thought was the top side until I came around here and realised that it goes up this way. So I have a few more bits there to do on this side. I know it's a wooden pallet, but I'm fussy. I'm glad there's not as many underneath slats as on the top, because it is just a little bit harder to get at. quite a bit of black paint there on the grass, but the engineer will get it next time he comes through with the lawnmower. Time to clean up the brush because I have another little job to do tomorrow. Put that into a plastic bag and it'll be all ready for my next job. Sid is protesting, as he often does towards the end of the day, if we haven't yet got his toy out and thrown it around the section for him. He'll either sit in the middle or right down the bottom and just wait. Tonight's dinner is a super simple vegan mince on toast, but it's not any ordinary toast. Craig makes our bread, and next week I'll give you the recipe.